I had a very great childhood. You know, my family, it's a blessing, you know. They've always stood by my side. I love my mother. I love my father. I love my sisters. Never had problems with any of my family. And I just want to appreciate y'all.
I thank Jehovah for my sisters. I'm an only boy in a family of sisters. Mom, Dad, Pauline, Eunice, Carol in the picture. We also had a brother, but a tragedy would hit us. Sometimes it makes me cry that I'm missing on a big bro. Had a brother called Tafadzwa, but he sadly passed away. I wonder how my father and my mother got away to still survive emotions, all the trauma and the pain, and gather up some courage so they'd have a child again. I feel I live forgetting what my brother would attain. That's why I multiply my contributions to the game, and still believe in scripture more than teachers of today. When I rap, I try to switch away from putting emphasis on the very issues that may stimulate your empathy. Plus, I also know that this is personal and sensitive, so I don't intend to open wounds within the family. I could rap for swagger, how I'm doubling the cash. It's like I could get the press to write a verse about my freshest vibe. Life is schooling me, every adult is a freshman, so I can choose to rap and make an everyday investment. Chose to follow Jesus and I'm praying for my enemies. Many join the church for the promise of the benefits. Faith is to believe him in the absence of the evidence. Religion seems an opium or regimen for clergymen. Jesus is my rock, Christ I know he's always fair to men. Dealers on the block, Christ on rock, methamphetamine. Jesus, you're my light, you're my source, you're my everything. In this world of evil way, it's never simply fair to win. Hope you have a place made in heaven for my brother. Another one for me, mom, the sisters and the father. My nephews, my nieces, these are pieces that we gather in my diary. We scribble when we think about each other. Appreciate the schooling that my parents had to pay for. Blessings that I have that my mother used to pray for. God shines a light right in Lord shedding stage 4. Honor to my parents and my sisters that I make sure. Tafadzwa. I'm the only son who's left to do it for a mother. Tafadzwa. I'm the only son who's left to do it for a father. My brother, my father, my mother, my sisters, I love all of you. My brother, my father, my mother, my sisters, I love all of you. My brother, my father, my mother, my sisters, I love all of you. My brother, my father, my mother, my sisters, I love all of you.